A mysterious palace in the sky, ancient city of Sigiriya. This is Sigiriya Rock, a mountain rising above a dense forest in central Sri Lanka. At the top of this mountain are the remains of a royal palace complex, dating from the end of the 5th century. Giant statues of lion feet cover both sides of the stairs leading into the palace. It is believed that there used to be a head and a body to the lion as well. Situated 200 meters above the ground, the palace was built to appear as if it floats on air. King Kasyapa I, who built this palace, lived in the highest building. He was born the son of a concubine and therefore had no right of succession to the throne. So he decided to stage a coup against his father, take the throne, and kill his father. Thereafter, he was burdened with a great sense of guilt. It is believed that the king built this rock palace to flee his guilt. These sentiments are depicted all over the palace. At the heart of the mountain, there's a rock indentation where paintings commissioned by Kasyapa I remain. Paintings of beautiful women pose elegantly. They are known as the Sigiriya ladies. They are believed to represent Apsara, ladies from heaven, since they are depicted above the clouds. By painting Apsara on his palace wall, the king wanted to make this rock mountain resemble a paradise. There is also an interesting feature on the path to the palace. The rock wall on the right side is covered with numerous paintings of Apsara ladies. The artificially made wall on the other side is lacquered with honey and egg white to reflect these images like a mirror. As the king walked this path, the left wall reflected the king surrounded by numerous Apsara ladies.
ඒක අර මම කලින් කිව්වේ අර ගෝඩ් කින් කියන අදහසක් රජුරුවන්ගේ තිබුණා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ දිව්‍ය රාජ කෙනෙක් වගේ කියන්නේ කුවේරගේ ආලකමන්දාව වගේ ජීවත් වීමේ අභිලාෂයක් තමයි යට තිබුණේ. ඒකින්ද උසම තැනක ජීවත් වෙනවා කියන්නේ අර දිව්‍ය ලෝකයක දෙවි කෙනෙක් වගේ ජීවත් වෙනවා වගේ අදහසක් තියෙන එතන.
In the end, the king committed suicide after losing a battle against his younger brother. His reign from the palace in the air came to an end after just 18 years.